Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to install ambient lighting in a BMW E90. Alright, so now we're going to carefully remove this trim piece. Start by gently prying it from the bottom edge using a plastic trim tool to avoid any scratches. Work your way along the sides, applying even pressure until all the clips pop loose. Once it's free, set it aside safely on a soft surface so it doesn't get damaged. And then use the red probe to carefully check each wire one by one until you locate the correct 12-volt power source that will supply the ambient lighting. Make sure you have a solid connection with the ground and that the multimeter is reading properly before you start testing the circuits. So we're looking for where to connect the positive, the red wire. This entire positive connection goes here, to the violet-red cable. And how you figure that out, you just hold this up here. And then go ahead and turn on the lights once. And then you can see that you've got power there. So now you can go ahead and connect the red wire right there. Then we're going to set the multimeter dial to the top position, specifically for checking continuity with the test function. And we'll touch this to brown here, and we see we have continuity, so this is the ground wire we need to use. Now we'll connect red. And black, the black to brown, and the red to purple red, then we'll solder the connection and secure it properly with heat shrink tubing to make everything nice and tight and permanent and secure. Now once you've cut the cable to the right length here and successfully connected both the black and the red wires properly and insulated each connection completely with heat shrink for protection, you've soldered them together and secured them with heat shrink. You put the caps in between. And when we now turn on the light, we see that the strips are lighting up. And then we're going to hide the whole thing in here. We're putting all of this stuff inside of here now. Then we put the plug back on and reassemble the whole thing. Have a really wonderful day.